What's up, good people? Player Today Trades back with another live trading the Nasdaq future. About 5 minutes to the bell. Uh, let's see, going into it, looks like we are ending the week on the downtrend as we close out this June contract. And rollover starts to happen next week. Went ahead and swiped the 161 fib from last month's price action before we did go ahead and start tanking. So yesterday we had some pretty good shorts. Um, Today we're looking for longs above the gray EMA here, and especially above, pre-market high, which is about 20,086. Looking for shorts below the gray EMA right here, and below last week's. This is last week's high, pre-market low. Looking for probably buyers to come in off this low. Now, if they don't show up off the low, then we go short. But I am expecting some buyers to come in. We are opening up in value in yesterday's value area, so we may get some muted moves today. Shorter, smaller moves. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and open up within a couple of minutes. That's what we're looking for going into the bell. Going into the last week of the month next week. Full moon tonight. Beautiful is to be. So beautiful. Do we have any news coming out? Yeah, there's some news, but we got manufacturing PMI, global services PMI. Those are kind of important. Those come out in 15 minutes. Then existing home sales comes out in 30. But all the real information should be out. I hit this by the third candle of the day. By the time the market makers start deploying capital, all the information we have should be out for the day. All right, we're open. Tanking right into the bell, right into 20K. Could easily see some buyers come in off 20K. Could just as easily not see anything. So 76, 15, 76, 100. $130. That'd be another very bearish thing. If we reject 20K from below, keep going down. We right in the middle. You see, we opened right on the 50 fib, pre-market 50. That's this red line right here, right in value. It kind of looks like some accumulation is happening here, down here, off last week's high. None of that is confirmed until we get above pre-market high, though. But you might be able to see some of it. Start that unroll, unravel. See, now we're getting back above 20K. Held 20K pretty beautifully there. Held 20K very beautifully actually. As soon as it went green, they smacked it back down. Right off that 50 fib. Oh, I should turn that shit off. I should be able to turn it off. Oh, I'll do that later. That green. Back above that 50 fib. First 5 minutes closed. Back below that 50 fib. That's the line in the sand right now. It's 20K. 50 fib going up. This level here shouldn't really be here because the rollover, the code is messed up. This level is supposed to be up here. This is the holding though. It's weird. It's weird that it's kind of working, but because of rollover, because the price skipped up during rollover on this particular ticker, the price action is off. The price action is off by about 200 points. So I drew it out so I can actually have an accurate representation, but I don't have the code coded up so that I can turn that feature off on the rollover weeks/months. But I'll do that later. I just wrote it down to do that. So that level there is looking like it's, I don't know why it's working though. This is my first time going through it, so I don't really. Ugh, quite the rejection there. Back at 20K, let's see if the buyers are still down here. Kissed it. Trying to hold. Still trying to hold here. Now, 20K is probably one of the biggest psychological levels. Even though technically the actual Nasdaq hasn't touched 20K. Future has, which implies that it will in the future. They're saying by September, low key. Ooh. Oh, man. Tested the lows there. Buyers came in. Let's see if they keep going. Want to keep going. Buyers down there at 89. Yeah, buyers still down there at 89. It looks like sellers trying to step down to this 20K level. Alright, guys, I'm about 10 minutes from my first entry. I'm trying to see what we're trying to do today. It's looking down. It's looking downish right now. Although this is looking like the accumulation area. Sellers up there off that 20K now. I could be very bearish if they can keep it up. Oh, they look like they're trying to hold this 20K now. Slap. Slap immediately as soon as I said that. It's a battle zone right here. Which way we're gonna break? See if the buyers are still at 89. No, they're not there no more. Another low. This is a downtrend. It's only been 15 minutes, but first 3 5-minute candles. Lower lows. And lower highs. Tell me you would die for me. Daydreaming when I met you. When I met you. Let me know that it's sweet. Daydreaming when I met you. Can't forget you. Alright, some news just dropped. What's they talk about on this news here? This PMI. What's the word, kid? Algo's got to move in real quick off the nose. See what the real people do. PMI's up. PMI's higher than the forecast and above the previous. If I'm not mistaken, PMI is like a precursor to inflation. When I met you, can't forget you. Supervisors are still there off last week's high. I think that's yesterday's low too. Value area low. Where do I go? Definitely Definitely a swipe of liquidity down there. Probably just covers, a lot of covers probably initially. Do I go? This is really my shit. I ain't gonna lie. We can get along. Leave me this way. Well, alright, I'm getting long off last week's high here. Either the buyers step up or they don't. Someone to see. Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh. Where do I go from here? Tentative trend line here. Although this is the trend line of the day so far. Straight down. Yesterday's low looks like it's right here, along with last week's high, last week's value area high, and yesterday's value area low. They can't hold this. They going lower. Approaching 19,950. Something you're gonna remember. I'm gonna get stopped out of this. Stop. You have to give me something you're gonna remember. Serving off. Something gonna remember. Oh, when you gonna get over. Oh, yeah. So now we wait for a bounce back into last week's high. Pre-market low level. Then we short. Something. Take a trip up on old face slide. Something. Sir, right off. I should have known. Yeah, I rejected 20K, man. Who's number 70? They should be giving us opportunity soon. With it, we're entering the one standard deviation move, range expansion on the day. It's 30% of 257. 77 bucks. 77 points on the low there. So between here and 77 points from the low. Oh, Winnie Young. Come on, give me a bounce back, y'all. Stop playing. We got some covers going off at the 123. The negative. This should be the daily 9, no? Some would say this is your bounce back that you wanted. I don't like it this close to the 123 though. I just be patient, even if I gotta be patient for the next. Who knows how long? I wanna retest this region up here. Then I'll go short. Oh damn, he gonna be in town right before my birthday. Who's Royce Mack? I gotta go find out, huh? When I pulled up with the thing, chopper saying. They're trying to get some shorts in. You can go ahead and touch 19.9 before you make the bounce back if you want to. You're not gonna lure me in. If you're going back, you might as well just do what you're gonna do. I ain't making a move till you go back. I kind of would like it if you didn't reach 19.9 though, but if you let me be a part of that, if you just give me a bounce back into my level, you know what I'm saying? So that I can, when I splack that, you know what I mean? All on the floor. When I pulled up, hey, when I pulled up, here we go. When I pulled up, when I pulled up, girl. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Don't chill. Keep going. Don't stop. Oh, I need another way up, up on. Mm, mm. Oh, I need. What is this level right here? 78. Go ahead, do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Kiss it. Honestly, blow through it real quick for me. Well, you done moved up to it. Might as well go through it. See, I might be a seller above. My, oh, there's a kiss. Can you get above? Can you do the above thing? Can you go above it? Can you do that? Could you do that? Yeah, you could. Come on. Go ahead. Do it. There you go. Good job. Just don't go. You know. There we go. 78. I'm not the way. Sure. Finally got that pop to where I wanted. It gave me a chance to get in right off that 9 o'clock candle. Let's see if it gives me what I like. What I'd like to see is more, 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 more. See? Yeah, yeah. Yes, it does. That was good. This is the boring part. It's all boring. You just sit here and wait for it. Fun part is the only fun part is when you look up and you got green. It's only fun after your stop moves into the money. And then it's not even fun then. It's just kind of like it's exciting to see where they're gonna decide. You don't really have no control. It's like when are they gonna decide to stop you out? That's all this game is. I enter a position to be stopped out because my target is so far that it's rarely gonna get hit. I stop out though. Isn't always out the money. You know how that goes. My last stop out was out of the money though. The one I took today. That was that was out the money stop out. 1 hour. And you think you can call me back? Anything but down. Anything but let you down, baby. Never meant to lose you. Here we go. Anything but let you down. Anything but let you down, baby. That's not what you want to see. You want it to continue going down. You could just be trying to get extra size on, but I don't really like it when I go in the money. Something like 20 points, close to 20 points, and then we start back and bouncing back. This thing is full of right. It should be full. Never meant to make you so much. Break right there, actually. Perfect trend break. This is where it was. This trend line was this morning. Perfect trend break off that. Let's see. And then I moved it to here. So I don't really fuck with pre-market trading like that. Like, I need to see it actually. While people care. Now it looks like it's trying to do the same thing here. Let's see. I gotta take a piss. I'll be right back. Okay, so we retested the high, but we didn't make a new high. Now we're retesting last week's high. See if we need to see him drop below here. Let me be 100 with you. I need to see him drop below here. My personal position. I just took a piss and now I'm drinking water again. Fuck around with y'all. Hydrate. Hydrate. Don't hate. Y'all like that? Y'all think that's old? Y'all think that's ugly? Just don't make a new high in this 15-minute candle for it, dog. Go ahead, get your size on, you feel me? Just not a new high in this 15-minute candle. I mean, honestly, not even a new high in the next 15-minute candle. I'm gonna be 100 honest with you, man. Because I know all I'm doing is riding the wave, but I'm just asking you, you feel me? Big dog, whichever, whoever y'all is. Whichever one of y'all it is. Y'all getting size on up here. Could you just not be too tricky? Be too finicky? Come on, bro. You hear me talking to you. You hear what I'm saying to you. Come on, bro. Sometimes you gotta plead the price, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta be like, please don't do what I don't want you to do. Okay. No, you just gonna do that. Alright, that's what's up. Thanks. Finally get her tested this day trend. This fucking hour, I think. Hour trend. And they going to 20K. Let's see how they react up here at 20K. Yeah, man. That's antenna. Stops. Two stops. Yeah. I'm correct. Just go kiss it, please. Go above it. Actually, shit. You get this 20K showdown. I'm fixing to get this 20K showdown. One more candle. I mean, one more minute in this candle. I'm talking about. Do it. Go on, do it. Hop to it. Go on, do it. Sure. They finally touched 20K. Can they go above? Yes. Yes, they can. Click, clap, pow. I know that it's you. Are there sellers above 20K? You would expect them to be here, somewhere between here and high day. They don't look like they coming in too heavy though. so black and so black and so black and blue. Okay, there goes some sellers. See how long they stay though. I know that is you. Black and blue. So, 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 so black and so black and blue. So black and so black and so black and. Ugh, that's ugly. That's hideous. By the way, a blast back above 20K. Off this level right here. That's nasty. Nasty work. Okay, the 20K sellers have been tapped. Um, Question is there enough of them up there? Just don't forget to smile. Don't forget to smile. They trying to hold this gray low key. Back at 20K. Let's see if the sellers is there. Don't forget to smile, man. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to smile. Seller stepped up a little sooner this time, but not by much. And they still not out the woods because the buyers are still right here. Sellers have entered the trap chat. Now, this is the level you don't want to see, guys. Like I said earlier, I hate when I get in the money, a certain amount of money, and then get a reversal. This is where you would not want to see that happen. Sellers just entered the chat. Let's see if they can put their foot on their neck. Well, don't play with your kids, bitch. Don't play with my crypto, don't play with your, don't play with my, don't play with my, don't play with your. But why the three right here? For sure don't need this one. But damn near don't need to move this one. We're going to be headed for this one. Let's see. We headed for that one. Do we hit it this week or next week? I pray for days like this. I pray for days like this. Alright, here's the test right here. Last week's high. Pre-market low. The accumulation level. The neckline, whatever you want to fucking call it. If we're going down to 19K, we got to break this level right here. We got to break the neck off this thing. So, see, this is the skip I'm talking about. When the contract rolls over, they just take the price from the future. So this expiration date here at this point when it was down here was the June 24th. Then they changed it to the September 24th pricing model. So it just skipped up 200 points there, but wasn't traded. Those 200 points basically wasn't technically traded. I pray for days like this. Because the future is a bet on the future price of the instrument. So most of the time you're gonna bet that the future price of the Nasdaq is gonna be up. Next quarter it'll be higher than it is this quarter. And the September quarter one was being traded the whole time the June one was up. It was just loose because most people trade the current quarter, the one that's about to expire, when we're in, basically. See, shit, I'm talking about my. Let's see though. We got 4 minutes left in this stream, and then I gotta go handle my BI. You already know what that BI. That's my shit. That's where you would expect like to take profit those right in here. So Streets back. It's could have been week 6. So we gotta get ready for there's a couple mil. In the middle of the concert. Yeah, get the girl. Yeah. I love it. Crash landed. Buyers down there off that with last week's high. You're not gonna make this easy. It's that in value fucking shit right here, man. This is that in value shit. Tight range. I guess this isn't really a tight range because it's almost off of oh, that's definitely off the open. And it's only been an hour and a half, so not even an hour. Algo's gonna start stepping in soon. At that point, you just wanna, I just go do my thing. I go work out, eat lunch. And market makers let the algos trade. I'll be coming in within the next 30 minutes or so. But I'm gonna get off this thing right here, y'all. Got to go work out, got to go do my thing. I'm still short.